You will learn about irrigation. Water is a boon for irrigation. During summer, water is scarce and it becomes difficult for the farmers to water their crops. Crops require more water than what is available naturally in the soil. Why do organisms need water? All living organisms need water. Plants need water for its growth and proper development of flowers, fruits, and seeds. Plants constitute nearly 90% water. When fields are watered, the nutrients dissolved in it are taken up by plant roots. Fields are watered when the seeds are sown or preparing for sowing seeds. Seeds need water for proper germination. In dry conditions, seeds do not germinate, leading to a huge loss. Water is required for seed germination and for providing nutrients to plants. How does water protect the plants? Water protects plants from frostbite or freezing and hot air currents. During winter, water from plant cells moves into the intercellular spaces. Therefore, the fluid inside the cell is more concentrated and thus is resistant to freezing. Water protects the crops from hot air by evaporation. During evaporation, water is lost through the leaves. Thereby, the surrounding area will be cool. This cool breeze around the leaves reduces further loss of water. What is irrigation? The supply of water to crop at different intervals is called irrigation. The time and frequency of irrigation varies from crop to crop, soil to soil, and season to season. Wells, tube wells, ponds, rivers, dams, and canals are some sources of water. What are the different types of irrigation? There are traditional and modern ways of irrigating crops. What are the traditional methods of irrigation? The traditional ways are the ones in which animal and human labor is used to draw water from the water source. These are cheaper but less efficient. They are moat or pulley system, chain pump, dhekli, and rahat or lever system. All these methods need more labor and energy but are still in use. However, these days, we use pumps for lifting water. These pumps are run on biogas, electricity, diesel, or solar energy depending on the availability of the source. What are the modern methods of irrigation? Sprinklers and drip system are commonly used modern methods of irrigation. They are used when the soil is sandy or the land is uneven. They are useful in regions where water is scarce. How does a sprinkler work? Farmers lay a main pipeline on the field. At regular intervals, this pipeline is connected to a perpendicular pipe with a rotating nozzle on the top. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure with the help of a pump, it escapes from the rotating nozzles. Water gets sprinkled on the crop like rain. How does a drip irrigation system work? In drip irrigation, the plants get water drop by drop. The water is allowed to drip at the root of the plant, hence the name. It is the best technique for watering fruit plants, gardens, and trees. This method is most useful for crops that need plenty of water and the region that has scarcity of